Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get your Binance QR code or how to get a Binance QR code. I'm going to be showing you at least two ways right here. So first up, go ahead and log into your Binance account. Now go to the top left, tap on three horizontal lines, and here you have the QR code scanner. Okay, just tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have the My QR code. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and you'll be able to see your own QR code. You can go ahead and save your QR code from here or share the QR code. You have the payment link here as well. Okay, you may want to set it up, like the currency, the amount, and some notes. Okay. Now, the other option is by going to one of your tokens. Let's say you have your assets right here at the bottom. Say we have Solana. So I'm going to tap on Solana. So for example, we're trying to add in more Solana right here under our Binance account. Okay, I'm going to select on-chain deposit. I'm going to choose the network right here, just Sol. Okay, and here we have our Solana QR. You can go ahead and save this one and share the address to whoever you want. That is it. That is how you get the Binance QR code. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.